In the realm of artificial intelligence, where complex problems meet innovative solutions, there's a fascinating concept that lays the foundation for understanding and advancing AI technologies. Welcome to the exploration of the toy problem in artificial intelligence. But what exactly is a toy problem? Imagine it as a simplified model that allows researchers to focus on specific algorithms without the noise of real-world complexity. It's like using a chess game to study strategic decision-making or a Rubik's Cube to understand problem-solving algorithms. Toy problems serve as a proving ground for theories and methodologies in AI. They allow scientists to test hypotheses, refine algorithms, and understand the behavior of AI systems in a controlled environment. From the Tower of Hanoi to tic-tac-toe, these problems, though seemingly simple, are instrumental in developing and testing AI algorithms. They help in crafting strategies that can later be applied to more complex real-world issues. As we venture from the theoretical to the practical, the insights gained from toy problems are invaluable. They lay the groundwork for advancements in robotics, healthcare, autonomous vehicles, and beyond, showcasing the potential of AI to revolutionize our world. So, the next time you come across a simple game or puzzle, remember, in the world of artificial intelligence, these aren't just toys, they're the building blocks for the future of technology.